this video, we will walk through the complete master menu in Garment software. First, Ledger Group Creation, Item Group Creation, Ledger Creation, Customer Creation, Item Creation, Branch Creation, Section, Division, Size Master, Color Master, Brand, Manufacturer, Size Fixing, User Creation, Designation Creation, Payroll, Employee Creation, Attendance Register, Payslip, Attendance Ledger, Company Details, Route Master. These are the complete masters available in our Garment software. Now we will walk through the complete transaction menu in our Garment software. Purchase Invoice, Purchase Brand, Purchase Return, Sales Invoice, Sales Return, Delivery Challan, Stock Adjust, Damage Entry, Purchase Recovery, Payment Voucher, Receipt Voucher, General Invoice, Repair Slip, and Stock Taken Process. These are the complete transaction options available in our Garment software. Next, let us explore all the AC reports available in our Garment software. First, Day Book, Bank Book, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Route-wise Purchase, Bank Statements, Statement of Accounts, Ledger, Trial Balance, Balance Sheet, Profit and Loss, Expense Report, Overall Transaction, Overall Expenditure, Expense Report Cash, Daily Report, Cash Payment and Receipt Report, Voucher Report, Journal Report, Debtors Daily Balance, and Creditors Daily Balance. These are the complete AC reports available in our Garment software. Now, let us explore all the sales reports available in our Garment software. Sales Register GST, Sales Register GST Consolidate, HSN Wise Report, Purchase Register Tax, Bill Wise Sales, Salesman Report, Loyalty Report. These are the complete sales reports available in our Garment software. Next, let us explore the inventory reports available in our Garment software. Sales reports, Sales Register, Bill-wise Sales Detailed, User-wise Sales, Bill-wise, Date-wise, Consolidated, Division-wise Sales, Salesman Report, Item-wise, Amount-wise, Item-wise Sales, Section-wise Sales, Sales Return, Item-wise Sales and Return, Group-wise Sales, Purchase Reports, Purchase Register, Party-wise, Item-wise Purchase, Party-wise Purchase, Purchase Return Register, Item-wise Purchase Return, Party-wise Purchase Return, DC, Adjustment and Damage Reports, DC Details, Adjustment Details, Damage Details, Business Analysis Reports, Stock Statement Party-wise Sales, Margin Report, Stock Aging, Sales by Amount, Hourly Sales Reports, Daily Profit and Loss, Discount Fix for Items, Display Discounted Items, Single Pair Report. These are the complete inventory reports available in our Garment software. Next, let us explore all the stock reports available in our Garment software. Stock size-wise, stock style number and color-wise, stock statement date-wise, stock value floor-wise, stock valued section-wise, stock valued section and division-wise, stock value brand-wise, stock value style number-wise, stock value item-wise, group-wise stock details, group-wise stock, item history, prefix history, and nil stock statement. These are the complete stock reports available in our Garment software. Let us explore the report features available in our Garment software. Tag Print, Salesman Promotion, User-wise Sales, Reorder Level, Fix Section, Fix Division. Next, let us explore the utility menu available in our Garment software. Print Option, DOS Print, Windows Print, Trees, Account Tree, Item Tree, Backup, Item List, Ledger List, Customer List, Calculator, Tag Double Print, HSN Update. These are the utility features available in our Garment software.